Hi everyone. Today I want to show you a very easy and faster way of creating a bootable USB disk. Let's say you want to install any operating system to your laptop, to your desktop, to your Mac, to your gadget using a flash disk. How do you go about it? First, make sure you download an application called Rufus from the website and make sure you have an ISO file of the operating system that you want to install. First step, open Rufus. I have mine on the desktop here. You double click on it. It's asking if you want to check for updates. Click no for this session. So this is the Rufus screen. By default, it detects your flash disk. I've already inserted my 32 GB flash disk. So it detects if you have several inserted, you can select from this drop down. Partition scheme remains MBR, that's master boot record partition. File system remains NTFS. Cluster size don't change. New volume label, you can change this and call maybe Windows 7. I can show you how to install, how to create a bootable Windows 7. So you're using an ISO image. So you come here and click here to select an image. I have mine somewhere. Let me pick it. So you select the location of your ISO file. And here we are. So you can select your Windows 7 ISO file. I have several. I have Windows 10, I have 8, I have Server 2012, I have Linux images, I have Windows XP. So for this session, let's use Windows 7 32-bit. So you click open to be loaded. You can still rename Windows 7 and then you click on start. So first thing, it will format the flash disks because it cannot create a bootable disk when the disk has several files or other files, so your personal files. So make sure you first back up the contents of your flash disk separately so that you may create it or you may make the USB to be bootable. So you click OK, then you give it time to analyze the disk. It's telling you it's creating the file system, it's copying the ISO files. You give it time. So it's still copying the setup files. So it has finished creating the ISO file. It's telling you the status is ready. So you can close and go back to your computer to check the flash disk. So this is my flash disk. It's now a bootable file. If you open, you can find these files. These are the files that were extracted from the ISO file. So the moment you use this flash disk uh, as a bootable media on any of your computing devices like a laptop or a desktop, it's going to detect the flash disk and it will automatically install Windows 7 on that particular computer using this flash disk. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience, and I hope you've learned something new. Goodbye, till next time.